That's all I need, just a little help.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Fugitive Facts Uncovering Truth on the Run podcast. Today, I will be explaining how to navigate your electronic healthcare portal. Whether you've just received a text, an email, or a phone call about your test results, I'll guide you through accessing your portal, understanding your results, and communicating effectively with your doctor. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some surprising facts along the way. So let's get started. Did you know that many patients feel overwhelmed when they first use their electronic healthcare portal? Imagine getting a message that your test results are available. You log in and you see a bunch of medical jargon. What do you do next? Don't worry, I'm here to help you understand it all. Okay, so you're struggling to access your test results and you're becoming frustrated and stressed. The first thing I'm going to do is talk about accessing your patient portal. When you receive that notification, follow these steps. Number 1, find the link. Then you click on the link provided in your message. Number 2, enter your credentials. Use the login details from your healthcare provider. This might include a username, a password, and a verification code sent to you through your phone or email or given to you at the doctor's office. Number 3, navigate to test results. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Test Results. Click on it and view your latest results. Now let's talk about accessing your portal securely. You always want to use a strong, unique password for your healthcare portal. Avoid accessing your portal on public Wi-Fi networks. Always remember to log out after each session, especially if you're using a shared device. So here's a fun fact. Did you know that the first electronic healthcare records were developed in the 1960s? They were used by the Mayo Clinic to manage patient data more efficiently. Fast forward to today. And did you know that healthcare data breaches affected over 45 million individuals in 2021 alone? Protecting your information is crucial. Many healthcare providers now offer mobile apps for their portals. These apps often provide easier access and additional features like appointment scheduling and medication reminders. Check if your provider offers a mobile app for a more convenient experience. Listen, before you leave your doctor's office, make sure you know how to use the patient portal. Ask for a demonstration or written instructions. Being prepared will save you time and stress later. So seeing your test results and not understand them cause you anxiety. Many people find medical test results confusing at first. Let's break down how to make sense of them. Now, not knowing what your test results mean can be overwhelming. So when you look at your test results, read the summary. Many portals provide a summary in plain language. Look for terms like normal, abnormal, or needs follow-up. Check the reference ranges. Compare your results to the reference ranges provided. Use reliable sources. If you want to understand more, use reliable medical websites like the Mayo Clinic. They can provide context for what your results might mean. Here's a fact that you might find surprising. Did you know that understanding your test results can actually reduce your stress levels? Studies show that patients who are informed about their health feel more in control and less anxious. When you understand these basics, it will help you feel more in control of your health care. Seeing an abnormal label or an unexpected result can be scary. Now let's say you've reviewed your results and something doesn't look right. Maybe you see an abnormal label or a number outside the reference range. What's your next move? Not knowing how to effectively communicate your concerns can lead to frustration. If you have concerns about your test results, here's how to use the patient portal to communicate effectively with your doctor. Use the messaging system. Most portals have a messaging feature. Write a concise message explaining your concerns. For example, I noticed my cholesterol levels are higher than normal. Could you please explain what this means and what steps I should take? Be clear and concise. State your concerns or questions clearly. Avoid sharing unnecessary information that is unrelated to your health concern. Respect your doctor's time, understanding they might not respond immediately, especially during busy hours. It's also helpful to ask for a time frame. For instance, when can I expect a response to my questions? Ask for clarification. If something is unclear, don't hesitate to ask for an explanation. Follow instructions. Act on any advice or instructions your doctor provides. If they suggest lifestyle changes or further tests, make sure to act on it. Always review your medical records. Use the patient portal to review your medical records and ensure accuracy. If you find any discrepancies, notify your healthcare provider immediately. Now let's discuss some common pitfalls when using patient portals. Misinterpreting results without professional guidance. Overlooking important messages or test results. Using a portal for emergencies instead of calling 911. Sharing login credentials with others. Avoid these mistakes to ensure you're using your portal effectively and safely. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. Electronic messaging between patients and doctors can actually improve healthcare outcomes by ensuring timely communication and reducing misunderstandings. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about patients' rights. It's important to know your rights regarding your health information. Under HIPAA, which is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, which is the law that protects medical records and personal health information, you have the right to access your health records, request corrections, and obtain copies. Your patient portal should facilitate these rights. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your concerns are addressed and that you are fully informed about your health. Now, without a clear plan, you might feel lost when addressing your health concerns. Let's consider an example to bring this all together. Let's meet Jane, who recently received her blood test through her patient portal. Jane received an email notification that her blood test results were available in the patient portal. So she logged in, but her cholesterol values were marked as high. She felt a rush of anxiety. Instead of panicking, she just followed these steps. Jane made sure she understood how to navigate the patient portal before she left the doctor's office. This preparation helped her find her test results quickly. She read the summary provided and compared her cholesterol levels to the reference ranges provided. Now, Jane had some concerns, so she used the portal's messaging system to write a clear and concise message to her doctor. She wrote, "I noticed my cholesterol levels were higher than normal. Could you please explain what this means and what steps I should take?" Jane also added, "When can I expect a response to my questions?" This way, she would know when to check back for an update. Now, Jane knew her doctor might not respond immediately, so she waited patiently. When she received a response, she asked for clarification on a few points she didn't understand and followed the doctor's advice on diet and exercise changes. By following these steps, Jane felt more in control and reassured about managing her health. As we wrap up, let's peek into the future of healthcare portals. I think with technology moving as fast as it is, in the future we'll be seeing AI-powered health assistants to help interpret data. We'll see integration with wearable devices for real-time healthcare monitoring. Virtual reality interfaces for more engaging health education is on the horizon. Blockchain technology for enhanced security and data sharing is already in the pipeline. These advancements aim to make managing your health even more accessible and personalized. Remember, your healthcare is your priority. By mastering your patient portal, you're taking a big step in managing your well-being. For those wanting to dive deeper, check out healthit.gov for comprehensive resources on electronic health records and patient portals. Thanks again for joining us on this episode of Fugitive Facts. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful episodes. Remember, stay curious, stay informed, and keep seeking the truth. Your health may depend upon it.